Hello everyone. So in this session we are going to do scrap calculation in the production process. So there are three types of scrap. One is assembly, the second one is component scrap, and the third one is operation scrap. So scrap calculation, we do the scrap calculation because some of our material do not meet the quality standards. So that's why some scrap is calculated. So in this session we are going to do the scrap planning, and we are going to post the actual scrap which we produce during the production process. So in the assembly scrap we are going to do the assembly scrap calculation, which is applied on the finished good production process, and we have to maintain this in the finished good material master data. And the second one is component scrap, which is only related to some components or raw materials, so it is maintained in the BOM or in the master data. So the third one is operation scrap, and operation scrap is produced during some operational activities. So let's go in the system and we are going to calculate the scrap, plan scrap, and then we are going to post the actual value of the scrap after the production process. So first of all we are going to do assembly scrap. So let's go and maintain percentage of assembly scrap and semi-finished good. So we are going to do the semi-finished good production. So let's go into MRP1 tab. Here we have to apply the scrap percentage. So I'm going to do 10% scrap calculation. So now we have to create the cost estimate. So first of all, let's check out the BOM and routing. So in the routing we can see that to produce 1 kg of semi-finished good we need 1 machine hour. And let's check out the BOM as well. So to produce so to produce 1 base quantity of semi-finished good we need 1 raw material. So now we have to calculate the current cost estimate. So we can see that 10% assembly scrap is applied on this semi-finished good, and in the BOM we maintain that 1 kg is required, but system automatically increase this by 10%. So 1.1 kg of raw material and 1.1 hour of machine activity will be required to produce this semi-finished good. So calculate, save the current cost estimate. Now we have to mark and release the price. Uncheck the test run and mark the price. So the price is marked as a future price. Now release this price to the current price. So it is now posted. Now we have to do the production of semi-finished good. I am going to produce 10 kg of the semi-finished good. So now system applied scrap portion. So system automatically produce some scrap portion based upon the percentage which we have applied in the master data. So assembly scrap will be produced. So we can see that we maintain 10 kg, but system automatically convert this to 11 due to 10% of assembly scrap. So now calculate the cost. Release the order and save this. So our production order is created. So now I'm going to issue the raw material for this production process. So I'm going to issue against the order. Raw material is maintained in IS01. Post this. And now we have to confirm the activities CO11N. 11 kg we are going to produce, and 15 hours. And now we are going to receive the goods. Go to Migo. And now post the good received against the production order. Storage location IS02 and item OK. Now we are going to put this 11 kg into QA. So quality inspection will be performed of this 11 kg. Check, adopt, and now post this. So after quality inspection, we check out that 1 kg we have to scrap 1 kg from 11 kgs. So to do the scrap, we have to good issue. So 553 movement type will be used from scrapping from quality issue. So plant is IS, quantity 1 kg, material is semi-finished good. We have to do the account assignment. 101 cost center we have to use. Now check. So there is some account determination error, VNG. So we have to create cost element for the expenses. So go to current expenses. Copy this general ledger account. Save. And now go to OBYC. ENG 20 and scrap general ledger we have to assign here. Now check again. So there is some field text selection error. So we have to execute a program. 553. So there is cost center, change the account assignment. Check out if there is any other error. So now there is not any error. Now come back. Again check this. Check. So refresh the screen. So go to Migo. Material is semi-finished good. Quantity is 1 kg. Plant and storage location. Account assignment. Check this and post. So now we can see that display the material document. Go to FI document. So check out the accounting document generated after this transaction. So scrap is debited and semi-finished good is credited by reducing the stock, and this is debited with the standard price. So now we have completed assembly scrap calculation process. So now check out the component scrap. So let's go and check out the semi-finished good. So now I'm going to remove the assembly scrap. So assembly scrap is maintained in finished good master data, and component scrap is maintained in the raw material master data. So it is not maintained as IS01. So check out the MRP4 tab, and here you can see that 10% scrap can be maintained here. So it can also be maintained in the BOM. So check out the BOM of semi-finished good. Check out the item, and here we can see that 10% scrap we have to maintain. Save this. Now again I am going to delete the current cost estimate of semi-finished good. So go to CKR1. So if we are going to, if there is scrap is produced for the production of any finished good, we have to maintain in the BOM. So by default, if the material produce some percentage of scrap, we have to maintain in the material master data as well. So both options are available, so we can apply this as per our requirement. So again I'm going to delete the current cost estimate, and we will calculate again the cost estimate of semi-finished good and check out the application of component scrap. So go to CK11N. So here we can see that scrap will be applied only the material. So 1 hour will be 1 hour. So 1 hour of machine activity will be performed and 1.1 kg will be used. So this is how system is going to do this component scrap calculation. So let's check out the operation scrap now. Now I'm going to remove 10% from here. So now go to go to routing, and in the routing we are going to maintain, so in the routing we are going to maintain the operation scrap. So check out, so scrap operation scrap is maintained in the general data. Save this. So now I'm going to create the cost estimate. Now we will see that scrap percentage will be applied on the operation only, so it is not applied here. So let's check out again. C02. So we have applied 10% here, but system is not picking. Come back. So we have to maintain it here. Save this. Now go to CK11N. So it is still 1 kg. So 1 hour is used. Let's go in the bomb. So this is operation scrap. We have to maintain operation scrap here. Can only maintain connection with net ID. Save. Now go to CK11N. Create the cost estimate. So it is applied on raw material. Now change this. There might be some error in the operations. So we have to check it again. So the system is not working. So in the next session we will check out that how to calculate the operation scrap. So this is used for operation scrap. So amount of scrap in percent for the operation, but system is not applying this, but we have to maintain it here only. So this is how we are going to do the operation scrap calculation. Let's again check out. So this can also be due to planned fixed or variable price. Go to KP06. So variable price is 1000. Let's change to 500 and 500. Save. Now calculate the price. All cost center. This is plan price. So total price is 10. Now again we have to do to create the current cost estimate. But system is not picking up. So we will check out this in the next session. So thank you for watching this video.